4 tips for handling anger in your romantic relationships. It's normal to get angry, irritated, or frustrated, especially with those you love most. It's okay to have these emotions, but part of being an adult is learning how to manage negative feelings constructively. And learning to deal with anger is one of the best things you can do for your relationship. Here are some expert tips for handling anger with your partner. 1. Don't clam up. Clamming up is one of the worst things you can do when you're angry. Whatever else you do, please don't give your partner the silent treatment. It is destructive and punitive. Your partner will feel hurt and rejected, and it will take a lot more work to try and resolve whatever the problem is. If you're the one getting the silent treatment, try not to react or get too anxious. The more you push or question, the more your partner will retreat. Let them know you're there for them and waiting to talk when they're ready. Then give them space. 2. Stay with your own feelings. When you're in an angry situation, try to keep your focus on managing your own feelings, not your partner's. You can't control other people's emotions, but you can try to stay as calm as possible and not react to whatever they are saying or doing. Take a few deep breaths and think before you act. Hold your tongue. Don't send that text. Stay in the present and don't dredge up past hurts or mistakes. If the words "you always" or "you never" rise up in your throat, don't say them. They are likely to only inflame things further. 3. Don't triangulate. If you're mad with your partner, it can be tempting to complain about them to a third person, creating what psychologists call triangulation. Such an emotional triangle is destructive of relationships and can stop you trying to resolve the original problem, as you get stuck in a good guy, bad guy story. Unless you're asking for help or are in an unsafe relationship, it's never a good idea to talk badly of your partner behind their back. 4. Look at the bigger picture. It's easy to react to small things and get mad at your partner for forgetting to take out the trash or not feeding the dog. Before you react, bite your tongue, count to 10, and work out if it's worth making a fuss over. Maybe you could turn it into a joke and give them a subtle reminder, or just ask nicely with no sarcasm or passive aggression. Unless you know otherwise, assume it's an oversight or a mistake, not being deliberately lazy or even out to get you.